I met this girl late last year. She said, don't you worry if I disappear. I told her I'm not really looking for another mistake. I called an old friend thinking that the trouble would break. Then I jumped right in. A week later returned. I reckon she was only looking for a lover to burn. But I gave her my time for 2 or 3 nights. Then we put it on pause until the moment was right. I went away for months until our paths crossed again. She told me I was never looking for a friend. Maybe you could swing on my room around 10. Maybe bring a lemon and a bottle of gin. We'll be in between the sheets till the late AM. Singing, if you wanted me then you should have just said. She's singing, I laugh, don't mess with my love. That heart is so cold, all over my arm. I don't wanna know that, babe. I laugh, don't mess with my love. I told her she knows, take aim and reload. I don't wanna know that, babe. I laugh for my life. On my hotel door, I don't even know if she knows what for. She was crying on my shoulder, I already told her, trust and respect is what we do this for. I never intended to be next, but you didn't need to take him to bed, that's all. And I never saw him as a threat until you disappeared with him to have sex, of course. It's not like we were both on tour, we were staying on the same hotel floor. And I was never looking for a promise or commitment, but it was never just fun, and I thought you were different. This isn't how I realised what I wanted. It's a bit too much, too late if I'm honest. All this time, God knows I'm singing, don't mess with my love. That heart is so cold, all over my arm. I don't wanna know that, babe. I laugh, don't mess with my love. I told her she knows, take aim and reload. I don't wanna know that, babe. I laugh, don't mess with my love.